and today I'm cleaning the BMW wheels. This is a quick little video because we want to see how clean we can get these ever so dirty wheels before we put them back on the BM, which should hopefully be ready this weekend. So, without further ado, let's get into it.
Hello fine people. As I said there, we are today cleaning the BM wheels. I'm only videoing one because if I videoed off four I think it would be a very long video and you pretty much get the point. So my equipment today is pretty simple. I had some degreaser in a bottle, which you can see by that yellow bottle on the slab. Then I had the Demon Wheels Cleaner, which I used to clean the rims and the wheels because to be fair I didn't know which one, so I just used it for both. And then I've just got a microfiber cloth and a bunch of quite bad grey cloths, which I just used, well, just out of the packet to take up most of the dirt before I go around the microfiber and make it all clean. And these wheels were dirty, as you've seen there. I put a little reference photo in. They were dusty wheels, very dusty. I mean, it was a nice day outside, so I just wanted to get them outside and get them cleaned, because the quicker we get the car clean, the quicker we can get it up and get rid of it. And I don't mean that to mean, well, this is a brilliant car if you want to buy it, by the way. So yeah, you can already tell now they're looking pretty shiny, but I'll leave you to it. You get the point, and I hope you have fun watching the rest of the video. Thank you.
This is the finished product. As you can tell, I'd say it's looking so much better than it did. Obviously, it's got a few little marks and stuff like here, but we can't help that really. But from a distance, especially, that's not too shabby. We got the inside all done as well. I'll show you that. That's to the best of our ability, because all this muck and stuff won't exactly come off, but yeah. Thank you for watching. We're gonna have to now do this. Well, I'm gonna have to now do this for the other three wheels because Dad's doing who knows what. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this.